Hey guys, I'm back. So it's like a day after my photo shoot. Yeah? Yes. And I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes and talk to you guys about my experience with the photo shoot. It was a great experience. I can't tell you who it was with until after it comes out.
Hey guys, Adrianne from the future. So I lied a little bit. It actually came out faster than what I thought it was going to. So it's gonna be at the end of the video. So surprise, yay! So stick to the end if you want to see that.
So I will keep you guys posted on that. Also check out the outfit. The chair. Cute, right? Cute. Also, I'm like 80% sure that I'm not wearing this top correctly, that I have the back in the front and the front in the back. Like I have it on backwards kind of thing. But you know what? We're gonna work with it. So here we go. I'm using the Sephora Detox Deep Cleaning Brush Shampoo. And I'm just gonna wash all my brushes. It's been a really long time since I've cleaned my brushes. I don't really wear makeup anymore, so it's been like a year since I've cleaned these. I've probably used them maybe a handful of times. I know my like my eyeshadow brushes I've used a ton. I know, gross, you're not really supposed to do that. You're supposed to clean them like every time you use them, but I'm lazy. But like my foundation and my blush brush, like I haven't used these in so long, like a crazy amount of time. I don't really use makeup anymore, but they need to get cleaned because I haven't cleaned them since the last time I have used them. And the last time that I used them, God knows how long it has been since I cleaned them before that. So let's get into that. I'm just gonna go ahead. I have hot water here and a towel, a clean towel. Yeah, so the photo shoot was in Queens, New York. It took, I want to say like 3 hours for the shoot to happen. Oh my god, look how disgusting this is. This is my foundation brush. You guys. Yeah, so I was on set for like a total of 3 to 4 hours. It was very quick in terms of like what I was doing. The majority of the time I was just kind of like waiting there for my turn. It was like video product placement kind of thing, like putting on the product, like running it into my skin. It's for skincare, so that's a hint as to what it is, but cannot tell you the brand. I love the brand, by the way. They're awesome. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna have to like change the water after washing just this one. How crazy is that? Oh my goodness, I feel gross. Yeah, it was really cool. They were like, have you done this before? I'm like, yeah, it's what I do. They were all really cool, chillax, really laid back. I think there's gonna be like a voiceover over the video that I was doing. So they had somebody filming when I first got in, and I had to be really quiet when I walked in. So yeah. Also, it takes me like an hour and a half to 2 hours to get into New York from Philadelphia. So I left my house at around 10 o'clock to get there on time. And then normally it takes me an hour and a half to 2 hours to get back into Philly from New York. But this time it took me like three and a half hours to get back. And oh my goodness, the traffic was just insane. Like absolutely insane. I could not believe it. I guess with more of the restrictions being lifted in New York, people have started going back into the office and all of that. So yeah, I think that's That's why there were so many people. Like this is how crazy the traffic was. It took me an hour just to get out of Manhattan. An hour. And for 30 minutes of that hour, I was stuck on like one city block, just trying to get to the tunnel to exit out of Manhattan. Crazy, 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 crazy amount of traffic. But yeah, so I got home at around 6:37-ish, and I had to get ready and go straight into my other job, which started at 8 o'clock, so like 8 p.m. So I got home, got dressed, and I went straight to my cocktailing job. That is what I did. That is looking so much better. Look at that. That is so much cleaner. Yeah, what's new with you guys? Do you guys go into New York? Have you been to New York? If you haven't, why haven't you? And also, if you haven't, do you want to? Because I know there's quite a few people who don't even want to like travel to New York, which I completely understand why. It's a big city and that can like terrify people. I also have another photo shoot coming up this week. Can't tell you what for again, but it is gonna be an all-day long shoot, and I'm very excited for it. I don't think it's gonna be for my face. I think it's gonna be for like other things, like parts, like my hands, kind of thing. So I don't think you'll be able to recognize me from it. Honestly, I feel like I'm gonna have a hard time like recognizing myself in it because it's just gonna be my hands, but we'll see. We shall see. Okay, I'm gonna replace the water. I'll be back in a second. But look at how gross that is. Like, you can't see my fingers through that. That's gross. All right, clean water. And we also have a little special guest, right, Nuggies? Come here, let's go say hi to the people. Come here. Look, say hi to the people. Hi, YouTube. Hi. This is Beerus. Today's his birthday. He turned 3 today. My little lovey Nuggie. Oh goodness, you're getting so old and so big. Alright, I don't know where I was at in my story, so I'm just gonna go on to another story. Ooh, that water's colder than what I intended. Oh, New York, yeah, I do like New York. Because again, some people don't really like it. And I understand why. It's a lot to take in, there's a lot of people, there's just a lot. A lot of concrete too. I know one of my best friend, the first time she went to New York City, just to clarify, because New York is a state and New York City is just that little section of New York State. Anyways, first time she went, she was just like culture shocked. Oh my goodness, like she couldn't believe what she was seeing. She was like, oh my god, there's like actual street rats, like subway rats. I'm like, yeah, do you see them? Oh my goodness, she was just like, she was shocked, like completely shocked, because it was just, in the movies, they really, for the most part, they clean New York up pretty well. I know some movies don't do that, but for the most part, like overseas, people see New York in movies and they think, oh my god, it's this really clean, beautiful place, and it is a beautiful place, but it's not the cleanest. It's a city in America, and America isn't really the cleanest place in the world. But I think she liked it. She went back with her husband and her baby. So they got to see new things and they thought it was really cool. Anyways, what do you guys think of me doing an unboxing? I feel like I'm gonna do one soon because I've been ordering a lot of stuff from Poshmark. I know, bite me. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of Poshmark shopping recently because I am sick and tired of my closet and I want to look good. So, damn it, I'm gonna look good. So I've been buying new clothes and shoes because I deserve it, especially after a year of being in the house and feeling like crap, you know. So I'm buying new clothes. I'm updating my wardrobe. 3 down, a bajillion to go. I don't even really use this one, but I know I have to clean it because I've used bronzer on it. Also, can we just talk about how like weird the shape is? That's why I don't use it. It's like, it's so bottom heavy or top heavy. However, like I would consider this to be the top. So it's top heavy. But it's just, man, BoxyCharm. What was up with that? It's super dense though. Like I like the actual brush, the bristles itself, but the design of it is just not. It ain't it, sis. It ain't it. Oh yeah, this one totally needs to get washed. That's the thing with like having brushes with dark bristles. You can never really tell if they're dirty because they're dark. You can't see what's on it unless you use something light on it, but I use my bronzer. Bronzer's dark. Ooh, life update. I've been working out, you guys. I don't know if you can tell because I'm like sitting down and not really showing. I mean, I'm kind of showing my body. I've got some major cleavage going on here, but yeah, I've been working out. I've been doing this thing. It's called Solid Core. I'll have a link down in the description and also like have something up here somewhere where it's just like showing you videos and like screenshots of what they do there. But I love it. It's like Pilates on steroids. It's so cool. It's like Pilates boot camp. Think of how Pure Barre took elements of ballet and made it its own thing, which I don't really like Pure Barre because I would much rather just prefer to take an actual ballet class because that's what I grew up with. I was a ballet dancer, so I would just much rather do that. Anyways, so they took Pilates, the elements of Pilates, and they turned it into its own thing, kind of. So it's Pilates-esque, I would say. Yeah. So it's really fun. It really works on your core, hence the name of it, Solid Core. And that's what Pilates focuses on. It's your core, because that's where everything stems from in your body. It's your core. How many times can I say core? Core, core, core. But yeah, it's a lot of fun. I hate myself every time I'm in class because it really kicks my ass. As a poet, you didn't even know it. Okay, I'm done. And I feel great. I feel amazing. And I am gonna be so hot by the end of the summer, you guys. Like, hot, okay? Mark my words, I'm gonna be looking phenomenal, all right? I am determined to get back into really great shape and just be the best me that I can be, because I only have one body and I want to treat it the best way that I can. So exercise it is, because you know, you can't be your best self if you're not exercising. I don't know where I was going with that. Anyways, I need to change this water again. BRB. Alright. Hey guys, battery died and I was saying a whole bunch of things to you guys without realizing that the camera wasn't recording, but you know what, that's okay because I could just tell you guys those stories another time. So cleaning up because I made a little bit of a mess, but my brushes are all nice and clean now. Yay for me. Yeah, so brushes are all nice and clean now. Very exciting. Here they are. People. Not that I'm ever really gonna use them, but at least they're clean for the time that I do have to use them again. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed listening to my stories and what I do for a living now. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next one, and please subscribe if you're feeling my vibe.